everybody, welcome back from EatSleepYangon channel. Rosie is here. Rosie is at the Tapin Shwe Htee Road. So what's around the Tapin Shwe Htee Road and what the food and beverage near here. So let's follow with me, guys. It's not like a papaya salad, right? But no, guys. I'll show you what it is. Yeah, normally it looks like maybe a papaya salad, but yeah, but it's also include papaya and carrot. But actually, it's just a mushroom salad, guys. I only eat mushrooms with a hopper style only, but salad style is my first time of trying it. Because I don't like mushroom very much, this one. Okay, but first time. I can feel the papaya taste more. Although this one is a mushroom salad. But not bad. If you like this kind of little mushroom, you will love it. And this shop is popular of their salad time. Yeah, and it includes beans, papaya, mushrooms, cabbage, carrot, and tomato too. Yeah, so. Only one item salads, you can eat different kinds of veggies in it. You can call this one is a papaya salad, mushroom salad, carrot salad too. So only one in it, yeah. And the price is 1,000 Myanmar there, so it's 80 cents around. Not bad. Now I believe if this shop is popular of their salad style. The taste is really good, guys. Andre is too much mushroom. Yeah. I mean this mushroom. You like this? I mean, I don't like. I don't like it. But it's good. The taste is spicy, sweet, and sour. All in one mixing this. Not bad. It's time to eat another food for the beverage. Packed milk. Yeah, today is a milk day because I ordered the bread and it's pulled over the milk and with the egg, fried egg bread. Yeah. Normally we eat like this for the breakfast, but in the lunchtime I eat it for the lunch. Yeah. Firstly, I'm thirsty now. Sweet down milk. It's already hot. How am I thirsty? Okay, let's keep the hub. After this, I'll drink. And this one is 1,500 ml with the egg with bread, deep fried bread. Yes, it's not hot now. Not bad. But I want more sugar. If I eat this kind of egg and bread, I put over more sugar, and because I want sweet taste. And without sugar, this taste is savory, not sweet. So I want to put more sugar to become more sweeter. So it's around $1, and this one is 700 ml, so 35 cents around. Come enjoy, guys. And PEP is our local milk factory. Yeah, not this one is an import one. This one is a local one. That milk is I drink since I was 5 or 7 years old. Yeah, but they changed the bottle style. So this one is over 20 years old. They established the bag is 20 or 30 years old. Yeah. Okay guys, let me end my videos here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So about the street food, yeah, today is I eat like salad, bread and milk, so enough for today. So thank you so much, thank you for your time. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this one and this one. Bye bye guys, I'll see you in another videos. Bye.